my channel. This is your Fleur Diva. Pauwi na po kami ng Pilipinas ngayon. We're in Bangkok na we're leaving after month. Bye-bye! Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Paalis na kami. Ayan, nasi yung aming, ano namin.
See you again next year.
See you next year. Love you too. You take care. Marami pagbabait sila dito. Nandito kami sa Artista Van. O, diba mga bakla? Nandito tayo sa Artista Van. We're off to the airport na mga 1 hour. Hi mga Fleur Divas. Hello, nandito na ako sa airport ng Thailand. So, pauwi na rin ako ng Pilipinas. See you later, Philippines. Yes. Ano na, uwi na tayo. And yes, we're gonna so happy na makabalik ako ulit ng Pilipinas after 1 month. So, yun. I'll see you later, Philippines. Yes, guys. We're boarding right now. Super late yung aming flight delayed. Gabi na ngayon. So, yun. Super antok na. But yeah, we're going home.
The passenger greeting card, tampering and unauthorized operation.
49K and window seat.
Keep your seatbelt strapped at all times. As we experience unexpected.
Guys, kakalapag lang namin dito sa NAIA Terminal 1 and it's 3:35 in the morning here in Manila. So I'm glad to be back here in Manila. Wala tulog, fresh from Bangkok. So yun, excited to be back here in Manila. I will day 2 at aking Grab. Kasi it's around 4 in the morning at mag-grab na lang tayo. So I'm safely back here in the Philippines and yun po nagtatapos ang Asian tour sa Bangkok. So bye-bye guys! Thank you for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys!